to you, all of you. So, how many of you are excited to learn what it takes to shift from offline to online? Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Joseph, K. Santosh Kumar, Kiran Pal, Krishnan, Margu Balam, Nidhi Agrawal, Rajiv, Sabuman, Sagar, Sai Bharat, Sandeep Kamble, Suresh Chandra, Ummi, Utkarsh, Velai Chami, Vishwesh. Good to see some new people here. Super excited. So, first timers in my forum, kindly type in the chat box FT, first timers. I welcome all the first timers. I would like to know who are the first timers. Santosh is a first timer, Nidhi is a first timer, Sagar's a first timer, Rajiv's first timer, Kiran Pal, first timer, challenging but excited. Yes, first timer, beautiful. Captain Ramamurthy, Haridas, first timer. I also welcome all the double second timer, all my community members who keep showing up. Give a pat on your back for being a continuous learner and actually taking a powerful decision to stay connected at the right place. So I welcome all of you in today's business satsang, right? So how many of you have already started the free course that you got access to? How many of you have already enrolled yourself in the knowledge business model, the foundation course? It's my flagship course that you got access to. If you have already started, type in the chat box AR, already started. Are you going through it? If you have, all right, great. Dhaval has started, Rajan has started, Rajiv Rajan has started, Akhir Islam has started. Beautiful, guys. Dr. DV Prabhakar has started. All right. And those of you who have not yet started, and this is the first time you are showing up in my forum, I do understand that being tech challenged and among so many things, you tend to, forget what it takes to, you have enrolled for something free and life takes over and you forget. So don't worry. I am actually doing an onboarding session every Saturday now. Every Saturday, I will be doing onboarding session to help you understand what is it that you got free, okay, how valuable it is and why you should start accessing it. Okay, so those who I have want to understand what this course is all about, which you got free, the order in which to execute the courses, go through it, the bonuses, how they help, and what should be your priority there, how you can finish that. So if anyone here wants to get in a live onboarding session, everything is automated, there are videos, but I still see people have challenges enrolling. Either they forget or they are struggling technically. They think on a click of button the course will start playing, but they forget to create a login account. So over this period of time, I've seen many issues, and I'm just trying to address in a brief 20-minute onboarding call every Saturday at 11:30 a.m. So if you're a first timer and if you want to get started on the free course, the value in that course is worth 3 lakhs, though digital products, we can price it comparatively lesser. So the price of that course was 9999, but the value in that course is worth 3 lakhs. Okay, there is a difference between price and value, and you must understand this. Most of the time, business owners struggle to make sales because they are not able to communicate the value they bring. You have to justify the value and the price. This itself is a learning, right? The difference between price and value. Makes sense? Good evening, Tarun. Good evening, Yash Rathore. So anyone who would like to join the live onboarding session, please click on this link and get on board. Okay. And if you're not on the Telegram group, and if you want access to the recordings, if you want access to the business satsang playlist, we have done over 14 sessions, much more actually, but I've been tracking these 14 important sessions that we have done. And I also have a playlist of 128 videos for people who would like to convert their knowledge into digital products in the form of courses, blogs, videos, whatever it is, online programs. So if you enroll in the Telegram, if you become part of my world-class entrepreneurs community, be in the right network. be in the right network. If you want access to the recording, this session recording, then I invite you to connect with me on Telegram. And I am just going to be sharing the link to join that Telegram group. If you're not on the Telegram group, reminders, etc., all of that happen on our Telegram group, right? So having said the context while we were waiting for others to join in, right. So how many of you here are teacher, trainer, coach, consultant? Type in the chat box TTCC. Let me understand the audience here, because I do have aspiring entrepreneurs. I do have business owners who want to create their online presence. So irrespective of whether you are a knowledge giver, great. So we have Kiran, who is a trainer. Kiran Pal is a trainer, teacher, coach, consultant. Tarun is a trainer, teacher, coach, consultant. Sweetie, hi Savita, good to see you here. Gayatri is a teacher, trainer, coach, consultant. Awesome. Azim Ali is a business owner running an advertising agency. Beautiful. I also see most of the time many digital marketers, digital agencies, content writers, YouTube creators, even people who conduct online, entrepreneurship programs or business programs also show up in the session, because I am happy that my content is useful for trainers as well who utilize this content, because the message and the knowledge and insight must reach people. So whether it is going through me or through the people who participate and they like something and they want to apply it and they are able to share that, great. It's always good to acknowledge your source from wherever you are learning. And I'm very happy if something you can pick from here and put it in your program, right? So sharing the Telegram group in the chat box. So Rishi is a teacher, trainer, coach, consultant. Sagar is an entrepreneur. Captain Ramamurthy is a pilot coach. Yes, thank you, Captain Ramamurthy. Yash Rathore is also a teacher, trainer, coach. Great. Mahima is a parenting coach. Beautiful. Sajjan Raghuvanshi is a teacher. All right. Any aspiring entrepreneurs here? You are employed and you want to start something on your own? If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, type in the chat box AE, aspiring entrepreneur. If you're in the great, Akhir Aslam is a aspiring entrepreneur, Yash Rathore, aspiring entrepreneur, Sweetie is an aspiring entrepreneur, Dhaval Kumar Shuklaji is an aspiring entrepreneur, Tarun Soni is an aspiring entrepreneur. All right, beautiful. CS Balasubramaniam is an aspiring entrepreneur. Utkarsh, welcome. Aspiring entrepreneur. Kiran Pal is also an aspiring entrepreneur, right? So from the aspiring entrepreneurs, I would like to know what is it that you want to learn from me? For teacher, trainer, coaches, consultant, of course, there are many things that I have to share, and I've been working with them for quite some time. So I understand your needs and requirements. I'm curious to know, aspiring entrepreneurs, what brings you to my forum? What is it that you want to learn from me? Satish Sinha is also an aspiring entrepreneur. Beautiful. What is it that you want to learn from me? How to start your online business? Is that what you want to learn? Because online business is a low investment and highly profitable business model. Sweetie wants to learn conversion. Great. Sajjan is an aspiring entrepreneur. So Sweetie, you want strangers to be converted to leads or leads to customers? Which conversion are you struggling with right now? Offline is okay. Savita wants to learn how to shift from offline to online. All right, great. Leads to customers. Awesome. Okay. So there are a lot of techniques and hacks. It's very, it's a skill to be able to take out, it is a skill to make people value your offerings and be very happily willing to pay for your offerings. So today we are not covering conversions, but definitely in one of the business satsang, I will definitely dedicate a session on that. Thank you for that. Akhil wants to learn how to present. Wait, let me go in that order. How to convert prospects to customers. Yes. So there, right. So I think I should be focusing on conversion as a business satsang. One session, learning session. I'll do that. How to share my knowledge with the world. Beautiful. That is whole the business model is all about, how to share your knowledge with the world. Answering important questions. Do you want to share your knowledge, make money, simply share your knowledge out of contribution, or what is it, right? If you want to share your knowledge and also make some money, achieve your financial freedom, then my complete business model, knowledge business model, the foundation course gives you an end-to-end. See, what is a business model? See, when somebody is asking you, what is your business model? You know, do you know what are they asking? Okay, if somebody says, what's your business model? So what is it they're expecting you to answer? Right? Manas Gina wants to learn how to start online business. Great. Yash Rathod, personal branding. I cover all of that across. If you stay connected with me, I'll give you the access to Business Satsang playlist. Go over that. I'll also give you access to the 128 videos in the Telegram group. Go over that. First, complete the foundation course, which is a 2-hour course, which you've got free access, completely free. Go through that. Okay. You will understand a lot of doubts, confusions, thoughts that you're processing, information overwhelmed, not able to connect. You've accumulated a lot of information, but you are not able to convert that information into wisdom and insights. You're not able to connect all the pieces together to be able to work for you. How many of you resonate with what I just said? Right? Anupama Singh wants to learn how to get high paying clients for healing. All right, great. Many different types of business models. All right, I'm going to be making a note of all your sharings, and I will structure my business satsang in a way where I'll cover all of this different types of business model. Great. See today, yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for participating. I love you. Thank you so much for spending your prime time with me. Okay, I'll make sure that you learn a lot and apply a lot, learn in the right direction. I'll reduce your learning curve drastically, years of learning just in few minutes, few hours. Okay. All right. Yes, I'm going to answer. Yeah, I'll go back to that question. In the meantime, let me look at what all people have written, what they want to learn from me. How to present business module online, offline, both. Great. So today we will talk about that, Akir Islam, how to convert leads to customers, prospects to customers, share your knowledge. We've done that, conversions. Great. So what else? Personal branding, how to start online business. Right? How to start online business. There are different business models, online business model. Now we here in Business Satsang, probably I'll cover different types of online business models, like affiliate marketing is one such model. Monetizing your content via blogs or videos is another type of business model. But basically I tried, but these are just side hustles. If you just focus on these, but if you really want to build a serious business, then you have to, there are stages to building a serious business model, right? How to get high paying clients for healing. Well, today I may not be able to address that, but stay connected, Anupama. Go through the videos that I have on YouTube and you will figure that out. Otherwise, you can also join in my live workshops. Okay, you can join on my live workshops where in the flow, this piece will be addressed for you. Okay, because this is, I need to build up a certain context before answering that question for you, because otherwise my insight would just go over, just be a bouncer or, go tangential, right? Yes, thank you, Gayatri. Business model. So what exactly people mean when we say, what's your business model? The way we do business or procedure followed? No, sorry, that's not right. Sandeep, how to get high paying clients by sharing Ayurvedic knowledge? See, there is a funnel. Okay, let me answer that. See, in the online world, okay, even if you have best of product or services, you know your stuff, okay, you cannot get high paying clients immediately. It's a funnel system that you need to build first. You have to offer some valuable products, services, whatever you have, lead magnet, those are called, to let people get a glimpse into what you can do for them. Now you have to build a funnel, okay? Because, and the way this funnel works is, if 1,000 people are interested in your free offering, 10% of that will be interested to pay you money for your next low level offering, low ticket price, anywhere from 999 to 8,000, 10,000 rupees, 999 to 9999. Depends on how much value you have given to them in the lead magnet. Okay. And then next, out of these 100 people, 10% of 100, 10 people will further move ahead with you in the journey, which is 10, which are ready to go ahead and pay you little more higher price. It's called your core product. Okay. And 10% of 10, which is 1, will be your high paying ticket client, high ticket client. Okay. So how many people we got for free? 1,000. And out of 1,000, how many have become your high paying client? Only 1. So get your expectations right. Get your expectations right. The challenge is nobody teaches this. We set up false expectation, wrong expectation, and we believe that things are not working for us. Beauty of this online promotion marketing business is it is just like you invest in your mutual funds and SIP. There is a compounding effect, but many people give up much before that compounding effect to happen. Okay, so you start slow and you need to stay on this course consistently, dedicatedly, in a disciplined manner. Week by week, you have to put effort doing webinars or live sessions or whatever is your offering. If you want to build it like a serious business means at least 3 lakhs per month or to 10 lakhs per month. How many of you would like to do that? 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs per month. You know, it's a journey. We have to go there. Our first milestone should be 3 lakhs per month, or whatever is your annual salary. Okay, whatever is your annual salary, you must aspire to convert it into your monthly salary. But this is a little long-term goal, right? Dhaval is interested, Savita is interested, Teenat, Atifa, Masood is interested, Sweetie is interested, Nidhi is interested. Well, Gayatri, everyone wants that. Yes, Satish, everyone, Gayatri, Satish, Sandeep, Kiran Pal, Anupama, Rishi, Rahul, right? So guys, yes, everyone wants this, but it requires a proper strategy. What does it require? Type in the chat box. What does it require? Business strategies. It requires business acumen. More than knowing. Thank you so much, Nidhi. Business strategies. Dhaval, Ashutosh, proper strategy. Ajay says strategy. Tarun says business strategy. Ajay Kumar Yadav, business strategy. Rahul says business strategies. Utkarsh, Yash, Kiran Pal, right? So because this is called, see, have you seen football matches? Do you think they simply go and play in the field? Do you think, or cricket, any sport, do you think or for that matter, a personal brand, Roger Federer, who else, right? Nadal, okay, Serena Williams. Do you think these guys simply go and play? They put a lot of effort. They are preparing themselves for years, and all the matches they simply go and play. Do you think, is that what happens? Or do you think they go with a specific strategy alongside with the coach? Thank you so much. They are best in what they do. They are best players. Messi, Ronaldo, Serena Williams, Roger Federer, Nadal, Virat Kohli, Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat, whoever it is, right? Saina Nehwal, all are best at what they do, but they also need strategy along with an expert coach. Do you agree? Do you agree? Right? So that is what makes you successful. Agree, right? Hussein Bolt, thank you so much, right? Everyone requires a strategy. Technique is different from strategy, right? And strategies are the ones that makes or breaks your business. But for every strategy that has been decided, the strategy is powerful only when there is a successful execution of the strategy. For one part strategy, 99% execution. That is the success formula. So the first thing, the first game plan change that you need to do to shift from offline to online is strategize your knowledge business. Strategize, right? And for that, please finish that flagship course that I have given you, right? So now, what is it meant when somebody says, what is your business model? Coming back to that question. So they are basically simply asking, how will you make money? Okay, I took a long time to understand that. When in 2016, I built a product. I was looking for investment on that product, a software product, a giving platform. And I participated in a lot of all these investor places. And they would ask, what is your business model? I'm talking about different things, okay? But finally, I realized that they're asking only one simple question. How will you make money? So knowledge business model, using your knowledge, how will you make money? Okay, so it is as simple as that. Make sense? So knowledge business model, with your knowledge, how can you monetize it? So one strategy is, make sense? Thank you, sweetie. It makes sense, right? Yeah, please keep putting your questions. How to decide niche? Yes, I'll take your questions a little later. I have still not started, though we have started partially, right? So yes, yeah, right. So how will you monetize your knowledge? And for that, more than knowing digital systems and tools, you need to know strategy. And that is where the expert mentor comes in. All right, makes sense? So I'm just going to be doing a screen share. I will take your, please, as and when you have questions, put it in the Q&A. There is a Q&A box. Generally, I give a form and then we go through it, but it's okay. You can write in the Q&A form as and when you, also to discover self-potential. For self-potential for what? You want to learn how to discover your self-potential? Is that what you're saying? For business growth? Yeah. Unleashing your business potential, yes. It's again a step-by-step process, right? How do you know what's your business potential? What's your revenue potential? And then having strategic steps to go over it, right? So I'll just do a screen share. I prepared a mind map for you guys, right? So far, so good. Are you enjoying so far? Are you learning? Are you learning a lot? Are you learning a lot? We haven't started yet, but I am sure there's some deep insights already shared. Are you learning a lot? I'm super happy with the participative energy, because when you guys participate, my energy goes, exponential, and you can receive as much as possible in this session from me. So thank you so much for being such an action-taking, participative crowd. Love you all. Thank you so much. Very excited. Tarun is very excited. Sarita says yes, right? Right. So offline to online game plan, we already discussed one very important point, that strategy more than systems and tools, because there are many people who can implement that for you, but strategy is what makes or breaks your monetization model, right? So most importantly, our Independence Day is coming, right? Soon, 15th of August. So I thought, how does changing your game plan? As such, once everything goes back to, first of all, how many of you agree we will never resume back to the old ways of doing things? It's the new normal, right? So the new normal world, when we resume, we should have a right mix of offline and online, right? Good thing is you can build up your tribe, your community online, and then when the world opens up, you can actually do a 3-day, 5-day kind of an offline event where you already have the necessary community and they come and participate in your programs. How would that feel, right? And instead of trying to generate leads from scratch for your offline programs, you already have a community and they are looking forward to meet you, connect with you. And when the new normal world opens up, you simply organize a 3-day event and conduct an offline program, right? Would that be great? Would that be great? Hybrid model, yes. But for the time being, let's look at what is the online game plan, right? So first, and why should you do that? First of all, the online game plan is important because it helps you find your true freedom. It helps you find your true independence. How? Because you can really leverage the www lifestyle. Okay, yes, world wide web, but to find your true independence, okay, how will you become truly self-sufficient, self-dependent, and then later independent of self also, which is true independence, right? Your business should run without you, but that is a destination you need to reach, right? So how do you find your true independence? Remember the www hack. First, by what you must know as an entrepreneur, as a knowledge giver, and because of COVID times, what you must know about the online world, the lingo of the online world. So if you have attended many trainings, programs, nothing has gone waste because it has given you some information, some insight bite, some wisdom, some knowledge, right? And anything that you've learned never goes waste, right? But as an entrepreneur, first W is know what you must know. You must know what is a list building system. You must know what is an autoresponder. You must know what are landing pages. You must know the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle. You must know what else? What is a learning management system? What it does? You must know what is a broadcast system. You must know how to do automated webinars. You must know how to use automation. What are the automation tools like Zapier, Pabbly, right? These are tools which help you do some connect. It helps. Two tools can talk to each other. It's a trigger and action based thing. It generally we use for automation. I'm talking little advanced stuff here, but what is the necessary automation required in your business, right? As of now, you must know what is a Facebook ad campaign, what is an ad copy. You must understand the words like tripwire, lead magnet, copywriting, community building, tribe building, traffic generation. This is the language of the digital world. Cost per lead. There are many more, right? So go through that course that I have given you. So what you must know as an entrepreneur? The language of the digital world as much as is necessary for you. That will empower you to choose right partners who will execute your work. Got the first W? What you must know. Second is what you must outsource. This is an entrepreneurship mindset. If you decide you want to construct your home and you decide to play the role of an architect, you decided to play the role of a plumber, you decide to play the role of an electrician, you decide to play the role of the people who lay tiles, right? You decide to play the role of whatever, civil contractor, everything. Do you think you will be able to do that all by yourself? Right? When we understand what we have to outsource in the physical world, in the digital world, why is it so difficult for you to understand what I must do and what I must outsource? What is it that you enjoy doing? Are you a content creator? Are you having health products? Are you having Ayurvedic products? Why do you want to learn digital marketing? It's okay to learn what of digital marketing matters for you to know, but how to write the Facebook campaign, how to use the automation tool to talk so that two systems can talk to each other, how to create a funnel, how to execute, implement, right? So this is the major difference why many people fail, because they want to do everything by themselves, right? So the www hack, which is making the World Wide Web become a real www, all means whatever, wherever, whenever, without worrying about affordability. That is why I call it, never forget this www hack. Okay. What you must know, what you must outsource, and then how to speed up things, work with expert very closely. Now, let me emphasize on this point. This is what I want you guys to understand, right? When I signed up for high ticket programs, I was already a super successful serial entrepreneur. Now, those of you who don't know me, by the way, I'm Vandana Mehrotra here. I have about 25 years of professional experience in the software industry initially. And last 15 years, I have been a serial entrepreneur along with my husband and life partner and business partner, Ankur Mehrotra. We have created 7 diverse businesses in IT, non-IT, B2B, B2C, franchising, retailing, okay, across different segments of customers, the stakeholders are very, very different, are very, very different. From selling a 60 rupees ice cream to selling a 60 lakh software tool. Okay, that is the whole gamut of business acumen that both of us have acquired, and we have written a book on entrepreneurship. It's called You Can Do It, and that ebook I have given you as a free ebook along with the course, okay, which you can read. It can be an ongoing read for you because it talks about how to start and scale your business from scratch. Aspiring entrepreneurs, it is very useful, and even those who are running business, it gives them a lot of insights how to scale and meet their revenue potential. Okay, so now I think that you once you join the Telegram group, I have created a 9-minute video. You can watch more about me, know more about me. I just want to keep the session focused on learnings. So see, across this 25 years of professional experience, 15 years of entrepreneurship experience, I have worked with thousands of people, transformed their life, transformed their careers, and actually also help people start and scale their business from scratch, increase the revenue. I got people given a growth of 30% year-on-year revenue growth, have generated quality leads for people, transformed the way they completely were running their business. Okay, so now, most of the people want to do things on their own. Now, when I signed up for these programs, though I was a super successful entrepreneur already, I understood various aspects of running a business. Okay, by that time I had created 6 businesses and they were all successfully running, right? And when I decided to convert what I know, my expertise and experience, into products, into programs, into courses, I didn't know what I know, how I can convert it into products. So I signed up for some high ticket programs, and my expectation from that program was that person who is that mentor will work very closely with me, because it was high ticket program. Okay, high ticket means 3 lakhs on and above. Okay, high ticket programs. I had paid 3.5 lakhs in 2016. Because the way things were shown, as if the mentor is going to work closely, like he will work, handhold me, will review my work, but none of that happened. And not just one such program, the whole coaching industry is organized like that. Okay, it's a group programs, and then you are, even I can also say, what are you passionate about? Write that down. What is your mission statement? Write it down. Okay, what is your vision? You must have a vision. What should be your revenue goal? Write it down. Right now, at your level, you will write what you understand. Right, but you need somebody to discuss with you, revise it for you, fine tune it for you. Right, and that is why you need someone who is minimum 10 times ahead of you. Minimum. Right, because if you are taking input from peers, how are they going to help you? They're in the same boat. How can one blind person show the path to another blind person, right? So that was my personal, I feel, victim of all these programs, where I really wanted to work very closely with a mentor, but the pricing and all for first of all, that personal offering was only not there. And if it was there, it was always shown such a premium unaffordable kind of thing that people run away from there. 45 lakhs and all kind of a pricing to work 1:1 closely. Okay. So I realized that even though you have signed up for many programs, pre-recorded courses you might be going through, still you are stuck, right? How many of you are going through many programs and still you are stuck? How many of you are going through many programs and still you are stuck? Gayatri, Ummi, Dhaval, right? Yes, because you know what is your real challenge is not, it looks very simple. Recently, I was talking to one of business, she was one of the attendees in Business Satsang. She was saying that it looks so simple when we hear the videos, but when I actually try to make my website, this point is not working. I don't know how to link the call to action to the landing page. So, you know, it is like I learned, but I'm still stuck, right? So now because you're trying to do everything on your own, right? And moreover, there are people who are actually put necessary effort, but their Facebook ad copy is pathetic. The value communication they are bringing, they have awesome products. You know, people love their programs, but nobody's buying. Very few people are signing up on the ad. Why? Because the value communication is not happening at your level. You are able to do only that much, and that is why you need someone to review what you have written and make it in alignment to what works in the market. How many of you would love to have that? How many of you would love me to review your videos, your content, your website, your marketing collaterals, right? How many of you, your ad copies, if you're running an ad, if you have made video and you're not having enough likes, nobody's seeing your video, how many of you would like me to review it for you, to make it working for you, right? So Utkarsh says yes, Gayatri says I would. Thank you so much. Nidhi is saying I, Tina, Atifa Masood is saying me, right? So this is the real growth blocker for your true independence. I hope you understand why all this, where there are 50,000 people in the community, 1 lakh people in the community, 2 lakh subscribers on YouTube for them, right? But when we say that, why the result, people are not getting results. Why people don't get results? Why not many people, very few people get results? Because they may be technically good. They may have invested a lot in themselves in the past few years. They are able to bring together all the learnings. They have been taking action, doing things, and hence they are success. They are able to achieve something. But many people are not able to do it because one growth blocker is not having an expert to review your work to see if it is in alignment with what the market needs. How are you communicating your value? And that once that value market matchmaking happens, money starts flowing in. Make sense? So remember the WW hack, right? Now, second most important point is KYC. Know your costs. Okay, it is know your costs. Okay, so I'm just going to broaden, make this little bigger, right? So know your costs, right? So most of the time we make assumptions when we go to all these high ticket programs. That's it. Only this program I have to pay, and then I will start making a lot of money. 25 lakhs a month, 50 lakhs a month. That is what is shown, right? But knowing, that is why one of the agenda of Business Satsang is sharing the unspoken truth of business. So you set your expectations right, right? So knowing having an end-to-end picture, right? That, okay, to build like a business model. How many of you want to build a serious business here? Anyone here simply doing time pass? Anyone here who is simply doing some time pass? How many of you want to build serious business? Right? Ahmed wants to build CS Balasubramaniam, Sabuman, Utkarsh Rathod, Nidhi, Rajiv, Dhabal, Narendra, Karthik, Girija, Tinath, Satish, Ajay, Divya, right? Ranbir, Sajjan, Prakash Patel, beautiful guys. That is why your prime time you're spending with me, right? Where your time goes, there your future comes. Where your time goes, there your energy flows, and there your future comes. Whatever you are today is because of what you have done in the past. Whatever you will be tomorrow is because of what you will be doing today. How many of you agree? How many of you agree with this? Right? So I'm so super excited to see so many people want to build serious business, and we don't have any people who want to simply do time pass, right? 9 p.m. after working through the day, taking care of so many aspects of your life, your family, your children, your professional life, on top of the reduced salaries, everything, you decided to be here at 9 p.m. trying to learn something that truly matters for your growth. And I will make sure that I give you that for what you're spending your time with me, right? So please explain mind map. I will take screenshot. Join late. Will previous. Yes, everything is available on YouTube. Satya Rathgor. Okay. So, right. Thank you so much, Tarun Soni. Thank you so much, Mushtaq Ahmed. Binu, thank you so much. Ashok, Prakash Patel agrees, right? Very think about it. Where I think it's something is incomplete there, right, guys? So having how much, what it takes to build your serious knowledge business. Now you can simply do live programs and monetize it. 99 rupees, 199, very successful model happening, was successful last year. Now because Facebook has changed many things, the cost per lead is at least 3 times to 4 times of the money that you are asking people to pay. For a 99 rupees program, you should be willing to spend at least 400 rupees per lead, okay, in marketing. Okay, so how much business investment is required, right? What all you need to do, where you should, what should be considered as an investment, what should be considered as an expense, right? Now if you think having a business mentor is an expense, tell me, having a business mentor working with you is an expense or an investment? Investing. Yeah, Ajay, investment. Thank you, Kiran Pal. CS Balasubramanian says investment. Divya Higde says investment. Sachin says investment. Very good. I'm so proud of you guys. You know everything, right? So, investment in digital systems or tools. If you need to be on a list building system, an autoresponder, a broadcast system like Zoom, right? Zoom, we are doing the sessions on Zoom, or there are other, if you want to do automated webinars, Webinar Jam, Webinar Loop, various tools are there. So in when you want to have these tools, are they investment or they are expense? Are they investment or are they expense? Thank you. Umi says investment. Tinath says investment. Sajjan says investment. Sajjan Raghuvanshi says investment. Ajay Kumar says investment. Ashok says investment. Investment. Beautiful, guys, right? Now, if you have to buy a HD webcam because you want to create pre-recorded courses, now I'm see, there are various advantages of having pre-recorded courses. See, right now I have so many pre-recorded courses that I offer them as free courses. When I do live workshops, I offer my program recorded courses as, you know why I offer them free? Because I have seen that people don't go through the recorded courses. And my main intent, whatever I am doing, I'm putting my time, effort, energy, resources, money to reach out to people who need this expertise. Why? Because I want to see growth in your life. Growth not just by the way you think, mindset, that is definitely important. I want to see that growth in your bank account, because that is one of the most important step or stage towards your true independence. because money solves a lot of problem in your life. A lot of problems it solves. It just becomes a tool. And then you look forward to what is there more to life. And then actually you experience the true value of life. Most people, I was there, for me also it was like this. And that is why my life reflects growth. And that is why I want to see this growth in all. My vision is a growing and giving world, because whatever I am today is just because of these. There are 5 G's of my growth, but I will talk about only 2 today, which is growing and giving. Give, because givers gain. It's a law of life. If you give, you are bound to gain. There is no direct transaction, but universe will accommodate that gain somewhere in your life. It's a law of life, physics. It has to work. So I really want growth reflecting in your bank balance, by growth, by your number of people on your channel increasing, your community increasing, more subscribers, more leads, more customers. In all of this is equal to more money, right? I want to see that growth. So I look at what else can I do so that people take actions and they grow. If I simply sell my recorded courses, okay, I know that there are very few self-driven people. Though there is an interest, that people want to do things, but life takes over. Life simply takes over. I know so many people who want to do this, but the routine takes over, life takes over, family responsibilities take over, health issues take over, monetary issues take over, loss of money happens somewhere, your commitments, financial commitments to your family or for your loans, whatever, life just simply takes over. So I always work in a way where I am, how can I help you grow? Because that motivates me. And if I don't see that happening, it is such a big demotivator for me. I simply want to stop everything, what I am doing, right? So recorded programs are become a good, it becomes a good, what do you say, bonuses for people, okay? Recorded programs help. So it helps you clone yourself, right? So digitization, which is converting your knowledge, which is in the form of words, thoughts, or whatever, PPT, PDF, slide deck, whatever it is, templates, assessments, whatever it is, convert your knowledge into digital courses, clone yourself. Today, we are having this live session, but there are many people who are just enrolling in my free program and going over it. So I have made 100 versions of, right now in my hub, I have 3,101, 102 people. So 3,101 vandanas, because people are learning with me directly, right? Plus the one which is doing live session here. So it helps you conserve your energies. It helps you multiply your time. So that is why serious business, not just some time pass side income, once in a while income, random income, ad hoc income. This month was good, next month was not good. Some not like that. Serious business means consistent revenue. And then consistently growing revenue, right? For that, strategy, a game plan, whatever you know, create courses which can be offered as free courses, which you can run, put it on Udemy, sell it, let them sell it for you, create one more stream of income. I am doing that. I will, one of the sessions I will talk about it, right? So digitizing your knowledge makes you very, very powerful. You are able to clone yourself. On top of that, if you work with corporates, okay, there are 2 trainers who are pitching, and you say, along with my workshops, I'm going to give your employees a recorded program which they can, which is absolutely free. Okay, for that I may be charging a little bit premium, 10% more if you want to. Okay, so whom do you think is going to get business? A trainer is simply saying, I will do a image consulting session for you, a leadership workshop for you. There is another leadership coach who says, I will do the leadership workshop. I will also give your the people who are participating on support in the form of recorded courses or assessments, and I'll be in touch with them. I'll engage with them by automated emails. All this is called digital factory setup. I call it the digital factory setup. All that is possible right now, and it is possible for anyone. It is earlier, all these digital systems and tools were expensive. To build your own CRM and all was expensive. But right now, there's so many tools popping up left and right, simplifying your work, right? So all you need to know is which system must have tools, optional tools, must have tools, digital systems, what to use, what not to use, how to use, how to cut down your cost, and how to have low cost monetization strategies, right? So how much investment is required? Digitization, how much investment is required? Now, if you want to go to professional services to digitize, lot of cost, right in the comfort of your home, using Zoom, using your HD webcam. If you have a latest laptop, the cameras are good, you don't even need the webcam, right? So I give you a lot of low cost monetization strategies and shortcuts, right? So reducing all your unwanted costs, whatever. So making sure that every money that you put is an investment towards your growth, because you know where you need money. Finally, where you really need money, you need money for your marketing, direct impact on your revenue. If 3.5 lakhs you are giving to a high ticket program, or 1 lakh for a diamond membership, or 5 lakhs for a 3-day or whatever, you know, there are a lot of training high ticket programs from popular people in the world, group program, mass programs, where nobody cares who you are, right? So it is so important that you work with an expert very closely. So important, right? So how much investment for digitization, cloning, how much you will require to create your course, then how much will you require to digital systems and tools, how much will be your monthly budgets and cost involved for that. See, I will tell you, you can record courses absolutely at almost zero costs. Zero. By zero, I mean you have internet connection, you have a laptop, okay, you have a mic, or if you don't have a mic, your laptop is in good condition, or you have a mobile phone. Does not give a great experience for courses, but promotional videos you can make on mobile, zero cost, right? Almost at zero cost, you can record your courses. I have created a 20-minute video on how to record videos using Zoom. So you don't have any excuses. I don't have money. I can't have a professional video setup. I need editing of my videos. Okay, there are always hacks. I will be sharing that link. I'm offering it free to you. Okay, go and watch that. So digitization can happen almost at zero cost, provided you know what to do. Your only investment will be investing in a mentor if you want to. Otherwise, if you have been investing a lot in your learnings, and with right learnings, you're able to do it on your own, great. Okay, so no, digital systems and tools, a monthly expenditure of anywhere between 10,000 to 25,000, depending upon which stage you are. Which stage, your scaling stage or you are just beginning stage, anywhere from you can keep a budget of say 8,000 to 25,000. Okay, then Facebook, then marketing, digitization, monetization, and marketing, right? Monetization, why I say the digital systems and tools, so every stage you need digital systems and tools, but in marketing stage you need digital systems and tools that help you scale a different level of things. Okay, so what do you need here? Some basic digital systems and tools, autoresponder, then payment gateway. If you are hosting your course on a proper learning management system, these are some of the tools you will need, right? And then marketing, then it is like your spend in the Facebook marketing, how much you're willing to spend on your marketing. It's like printing offline brochures, flyers, and all those things, visiting card. They're all your marketing tools, right? So Facebook is that. So you're investing money in that. But now you need somebody to run the Facebook campaigns for you, set up the campaign, run the campaign. Now that is a service cost. right? So having your expectations right, what are the overall cost involved? Now we are just talking about, I'm assuming you know how to deliver your programs. Then this is what all you need. But now if you want to, there are a lot of train the trainer programs, how to facilitate your sessions, how to make high converting courses and all. Then that is another, and how to create a high converting curriculum, a curriculum that sells, right? So then that is a separate piece. Make sense? Make sense? So there are there. So one is you are ready to deliver your programs via recorded programs or by online programs. That is one piece. Now, how to do the delivery of your content itself? There are a lot of train the trainer programs. They only teach that much, right? But even if you have learned this, you are still blocked because now you don't know how to monetize, you don't know how to convert, you don't know how to market, right? So I hope you're getting this end-to-end roadmap. Know your costs, time, resources, money. What all is required? The timeline. Cost is not just money, the time it will take. So if you are disciplined in this daily consistent effort you put, and you're working with a smart, wise entrepreneur mentor, anywhere from 3 months to 6 months. And if you are doing it on your own, depends on what is your skill set, what is your knowledge. It can take anywhere from 1 year to 3 years, 4 years. I can't comment on that. Make sense? So the game plan to shift from offline to online is knowing your cost, setting your expectations right, because I don't want you to invest somewhere and then leave the journey, because now that money is also wasted that you have invested. So understanding what it takes to create a successful online business is very, very important, because you are in right expectation mode. Okay, I need to learn how to facilitate my program. I need to learn how to convert my knowledge into sellable courses, not any course. Okay, I need to learn how to monetization strategies, conversion strategies. Okay, I also need somebody to run the Facebook campaigns for me, or Google ads for me, or LinkedIn marketing, or YouTube marketing, whatever it is. Make sense? Make sense, guys? Sorry, I was completely in my flow. I was not looking at your chat at all. Right? So yes, Gayatri agrees, CS Balasubramanian agrees, Ajay Kumar agrees, beautiful. So Sabuman agrees. Makes sense? Is that powerful? Does it help you? What I just shared, is it powerful? These are the unspoken truth about the business world. Does it help you setting expectations right, knowing your cost, the time, money, resources, right? What all you need is going to help you. Super useful. Type in the chat box, super useful, powerful. Thank you so much. Who said powerful? Kiran Pal says powerful. Vincent says great. Thank you so much. Abhay says yes, super powerful. Ajay says, right? So coming back to the third important point that you must remember, the 4 C's of desired online success that you must know. The 4 C's. Okay, there are 4 C's of a diamond. And if you want to build this serious business like a diamond business, diamonds are for ever. Diamonds are forever, right? Forever, right? So your knowledge business can become a business like diamond forever. And whenever you buy diamonds, there are 4 C's of a diamond: cut, color, clarity, and carat. Okay. So the 4 C's for your desired online success. What you should remember is first getting the crowd. Okay, who is your target audience? Generating traffic, the crowd that you are looking for, and then getting their attention via copywriting. This copywriting is not author kind of a copywriting. This is value communication of your business. What you do, how is it going to help people? Because these are your marketing collaterals, copywriting, representing your business in your own words. Okay, I empower you to do that. Either you can hire professional copywriting services, again, that is a cost, right? But if you can do it on your own, great, right? So first, who is your target audience? The crowd. And then it is in the language of the digital world, it is traffic generation. Then copywriting, the value communication that of your business, how your products or services are going to help your target audience? How will they benefit from them? So there is an approach to that. I have a GPS system which helps you come up with your copy. Okay. Then conversions. Okay, you got the necessary target audience. You got their attention grabbing content you have written. Now they became your leads. Now only when they buy something, when the leads are converted to customers, only then it is money is coming in then, right? So there are a lot of online conversion strategies for different types of businesses, different strategies. One such is lead magnet, tripwire, core product, profit maximizer. This is for the knowledge business model, right? Where lead magnet free, tripwire is a low ticket offering. Then we have a core product, which is, I said, remember the example of 100, 1000, 100, 10 and 1, right? So profit maximizer is your personal consulting. Okay, 10 who came in for was your core product implementation. Then lead magnet 10,000 came free. 1,000 came, sorry, free. Great. I wish 10,000 community to all of you, right? And then tripwire, a low ticket offering, which is more of concepts. Okay. So these are the 4 C's of, okay, we looked at only the 3 C's. The 4th C is community building, right? So your crowd should become your community. Crowd should no longer be crowd. Okay, they should become, that is how you create a business which runs in autopilot mode, because this community building helps in customer retention. Okay, most of the people are busy acquiring new customers, and they forget about retaining existing customers. So to retain existing customers, you must focus on building a community. And this is the 4 C's of creating a diamond-like business which runs on autopilot mode, in God mode gradually, because you now understand what it takes to get the desired online success. Make sense? So this is all I had to share for today. I hope you enjoyed this session. How to find them? Satish says it's amazing, super useful. Tarun says, Sachin says, how to find them? Well, that is the whole approach. You will have to, well, I will be doing live sessions. And my very first session will be how to find your target audience, how to find your target. So actually, I was planning to do a 3-day intensive on 13, 14, because my whole thing is how to help you find your true independence. So I want to do a 3-day intensive. Okay, last month we had done a 9-day intensive. Some of you were part of it. Okay, Vincent says, wow, thank you for sharing. Send us the link of 20-minute video. Yes, you will have to join the Telegram group. Let me see if Telegram group link is handy. You will have to join the Telegram group. I will share all the past business satsang playlist, knowledge business playlist. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will also give you the access to the 20-minute video. Okay. So that you can make the most of it. That's all. And I was also planning to do a 3 days intensive boot camp to once you finish this 2-hour course, which I have given you. Okay. If you still don't know, have not even opened the course, you're missing out on something, guys, something really important that matters for your growth. Okay, Sabuman says, first time I'm attending these type of classes, so I'm like Alice in Wonderland. Don't worry about it. All you have to do is simply go and finish that course. So don't worry. It's good that you are learning right set of things. Okay. If everything is shared step by step, and that is why that flagship course which I have given you free, first finish that. That is very important. And if you want to go deeper, I'm planning to do a 3-day intensive boot camp. Okay, more insights into this on 13th, 14th, and 15th, because it's an Independence Day offer I'm having. I have done lot of free stuff, and paid stuff, free stuff, paid stuff, free stuff. All in all, I realize that when it is for free, people take for granted. People simply take for granted. People just want to own it. But I'm sure not people who are present here today. I'm definitely confident that this is not the people who take things for granted, because you're spending your prime time with me, right? So, but I know that when things come for free, other things takes priority. And because even if I have also seen if somebody is giving me something free gift at home, even though it is very valuable, it is a human tendency. I don't value it much because I haven't taken out money from my pocket to buy that. But if I have even spent say 5,000 rupees to buy something, and if that thing spoils, I am like, oh my god, I paid 5,000 and this thing is not working. But if someone has given me something, a gift worth 5,000, and it breaks or something happens, it is like okay, because the money did not go out from my pocket. And this is a very human tendency. How many of you can resonate with this? Yeah. So what I initially thought of doing this boot camp, this 3-day intensive workshop boot camp free, but then I changed my mind because of my past workshop experience. I said that people who pay money pay attention, right? People who pay money pay attention, and people who pay attention take action, and people who take action get results, and your results are more important to me than anything else. So I actually I did prepare that. So if you are interested, it is a very nominal charges. It is just for your seriousness, nothing to do with me. That money, if it helps me take out some cost, I'll be very happy. But more than anything else, it has to do with your own commitment, your own seriousness, so you show up for the session. Because even if I do free sessions, most of the time I struggle to remind people to come, and most of my time goes in reminding, sending automation here and there, even though things are automated. But that, on the day of the event, we need to make sure people show up, because because it is free, people forget. Okay, but when I had done 199 rupees program earlier, 499 rupees program, 999 program, 2999 programs, okay, because people pay money, people show up. Why? Because their money is involved, right? So I'm not going to be doing this free, though I earlier wanted to do it, but I have decided I'm not going to do it free. I'll just put very nominal charges, that too only for your own growth. You're making that commitment towards your own growth. Okay, so I am sharing the link. If you want to be part of this, this will happen on 13th, 14th, and 15th. Let me share the screen, and what we will do there, I'll just show you that as well. What is it that we are going to do there? If you want to learn in live sessions, we'll go more deep. Okay, and this is the product. Okay, we will have 3 days of intensive action taking. Day 1, we will learn about, these digitization. Okay, day 2, we will learn about digital systems and tools, and day 3, we will learn about monetization and marketing. Okay, so we will go deep, 3 hours each day, total 9 hours. Okay, for my capability, for my business, for my revenue potential, this is I'm not even doing a marketing pitch, guys. I don't want to do a marketing pitch or an offer. It is totally, this is done only exclusively for you, so that you can take your learnings to next level. Okay, at that stage, you know that whether you want to pursue this or not. You understand more detail. Each part we will go into detail. How to find your niche in digitalization. I will talk about the 14P process that I have, the GPS system, which will give you your ad copies and marketing collaterals. We will be talking about that. Okay, and then how to build a relevant content bank, how to design your course curriculum, how to find your niche, your unique positioning. That clarity is so important, because that becomes the foundation of everything that you're going to do. Okay, so day 1 and day 2, day 3, we will be looking at various digital systems and tools. I will also be showing you the and if those who are little tech savvy can, along in the session, it's an action taking boot camp, right? You can learn what is an autoresponder, how to use it, what are the important features of it, what are the must-have digital systems and tools, what it takes to write your Facebook ad copy, how to execute a Facebook campaign. So once you know from the experts how they do it, then you are able to take a decision whether you want to do it on your own or you want somebody else to do it for you. Yes, you do get recording. Yes. You do get recording. You do get recording. Now, see, what happens is a lot of people are saying, after I go through your free program, what next? Okay, so what next is, now you come for this 3-day workshop, and then you will get a lot more deep insights, and then you decide whether it is for you or not. Because each, when we had done in the last month, when we had done a 9 live sessions, that will reduce your learning curve and action taking by 3 years at least minimum, right? Can you show 3-day content on the screen, please? Yes. Am I not showing the screen? This is a screen, right? Day one, we will have, can you see my screen? Is my screen clear? I will take your Q&A also, just give me a moment. What if there are already others in your niche? How to stand out? Yes, guys, I'll answer that. Hold on. Let me finish this thing. So I'm going to be doing a 3-day Independence Day offer. Ideally, I wanted to do it free, okay, but I realized no, because I spend a lot of time trying to get people into the room, and I'm done with it. Okay, so even though my intention is to help, I really need people. You put your skin into the game. It's not about the money. It's 99, 199, 499, 999, doesn't matter. Okay, once you have put money, you will automatically show up and you will start taking actions. Okay, so it is this is for serious business people who want to build, but you cannot build your entire business on this. Please understand that. Okay, we will, after you go through the recorded course, you will understand the complete picture. Then we will take a little deeper dive into each aspect. Okay, in the 3 days, you have to understand the pillars of your knowledge business. The low cost, I'll cover some low cost monetization techniques. I'll how to find your unique positioning, because there are, as Gayatri asked, right? I'll answer that question now. I'm going to answer Gayatri's question now. Link shows everything. What do you mean, Sachin? Link shows everything. Those who have still not come on board on the yeah, link has everything. Yes, you can go through yourself. Link shows everything. Anyways, I'm going to be taking registrations till 12th of August. So, but those who are here can enroll today, because I also need some significant number of people to be there in the sessions. Otherwise, it's simply wasting my time and my knowledge. You know, if I like to work with a lot of people, I'm expecting hundreds of people to participate. Okay. Yeah, I will scroll up for day 3. If you click on the link, if you click on this link, you will get all the details, and you can refer it, and you can as per your convenience. So day 2 we will be building your 3R. 3R stands for right, relevant, and risk-free content. Content is very important, okay, because it's the value communication. The copywriting part we talk about that, right? And then monetization, we will cover some conversion strategy. And day 3 is the 8. What are those 8 pieces of the digital puzzle and the 4 C's of digital marketing? We'll go more deeper. I just said crowd today, and copywriting, conversion, and community building. But what exactly it means, and the strategies to be able to execute that. Okay. What are your optional and must-have digital systems? I will actually help you go, understand what are the tools that you must have, what are optional, depending on your budget. You can start, even if you have 5,000 rupees today, you can start this business at that amount also. But I hope you do understand that higher your investment, higher are the gains. Lower the investment, lower the gains. But anyone can start this business model and generate some funds, reinvest it back into your business. Okay, I have a lot of hacks where we can cut down which tools you need, what you don't need, it depends on what is exactly you want to do, what is your course. And especially for school teachers, college professors and subject teachers, it's not that difficult. It's very easy. You don't even have to invest in many tools. Okay. So how different tools integrate, how they connect with each other to create that digital factory for you. Okay, and how to keep generating leads 24/7 through your web presence, either videos, blogs, or your podcast, whatever you do. How to create that as your sales funnel. Okay, and lot of other shortcut, low cost recording tools, Anyways, Zoom, anyways, that 20-minute video itself is a great hack. But if you need some smaller edits, front part, back part, without investing in costly tools, how can you do the edits? Okay, there are tools for that. How can you multiply your content? You write content only once, or you record video only once, and you can multiply it. So there are a lot of things. Okay, this is, I mean, I'm cutting down my years of business acumen into few days, few hours, few minutes for you guys. But I really need you to value that for your own growth. I'm sure you understand that the 9 hours for 4999 is nothing. Okay, ideally, I only want you to pay for my personal consulting, which is premium. I am looking for that 1% in 1,000 people who want to work closely with me. That is where my profit maximizer comes. But all other recorded programs and group programs, I will try to make it very, very affordable. Earlier, I used to be charging 15,000 if people would pay on the same day of the event for a 30-day workshop. Okay, 30-day challenge with me. And if they are not paying, then it was 20,000 rupees the next day. Okay, that was my earlier charges, but now I've changed the way I want to work. So I would have some 10-15 people signing up for that. Okay, but I want to reach out to more people, and because I see out of those 10-15 action takers are again very few, and if you don't take action, it really demotivates me. I don't want to do this because I give so much of my energy, my knowledge, my resources, and if I don't see the results in the form of you creating your online presence or you creating your online courses, it is just like, okay, I can also be one other coach, simply sell my recorded programs. But that's not me. That's not how I want to operate. That does not fulfill me. That does not make me happy, because this is not my livelihood. I want to contribute in your lives, but that contribution should reflect when your website is successfully working for you. You start generating leads, I feel happy. When you started your YouTube channel from zero and you get 70, 80, 100 subscribers without investing any money, I feel so happy, because something has a tangible outcome you have got. If you are struggling to get leads in your programs, 5, 6, 7 leads were coming, and now you are getting 20, 25, 30 leads, that's growth for me. I want to see that result. But that can happen only when you take action. Right? So I have my own set of challenges. I'm trying to understand people. I'm trying to understand why people don't take actions for their own growth. And I have been an action taker all my life. So it is very challenging for me to understand that why people don't take actions. And you not taking actions is a complete waste of my energies, my knowledge, right? So if you take actions, I feel happy. Make sense, guys? Right? So let me answer. I have requests that give me ideas how I make ad on Facebook as you. So we cover all of that, right? There is a Facebook how to, if you go to Business Satsang playlist, one of the time I have also I have a session on how to write your ad copy template. Okay, how to record your videos. So you will have to, those are 2 hours kind of a session. Those who want to learn free from me, there are a lot of videos on YouTube. You can just pick one playlist and finish that in that order. Either pick up the knowledge business playlist or pick up the business satsang playlist. Okay, and keep learning every day whenever you have time. Okay, in live sessions, advantages, you work live and everybody's group's energies are there. You are working live, and you get you get a lot of aha moments, and we call it bum phata moment in our community. We call it bum phata moment. Okay. So yeah, so live sessions are very energy taxing for me as well. So, but recorded sessions, if you guys go through the recorded sessions and do it on your own, superb, nothing like it. But I've seen 80-20 rule everywhere, guys. So it is very important that, if you want to take actions and I want to see your growth, then it has to be live sessions. And that is why my recorded programs will come free with the live sessions. Okay, if you don't want to join the live session, the recorded programs are also available for you to make a purchase. We will talk about it at some other time, right? So let me do a Q&A. How can Gayatri's question I'll answer. What if there are already others in your niche? How to stand out? Now, how many of you have attended many programs in the market? Do I stand out differently? Do I stand out differently? May I have some responses? Gayatri, are you there? Tinath, thank you so much. Tinath says you are the best. Utkarsh says yes, right? So it is very easy to be different. All you have to be is authentic. All you should have your congruence of thoughts, words, and emotions, actions, right? It is very easy to be different, right? Number one, your stories make you different. My story of why I am doing this, I haven't shared it today. I have so much to share that even 1.5 hour, I mean, I have so much to share. I can non-stop keep talking, okay? So that is why you have to go through my videos on YouTube. You'll come to know more about me. I have many reasons why I'm doing this, right? So your stories is what make you unique, because there are some people who will connect with you only, even though you have competition. The more genuine, the more authentic, the more giving you are, where your intention is helping others first and then making money, which should be reflected in the way you do things, right? Will make you stand out unique. Okay. It requires a lot of, if you're afraid of doing hard work, then this is not for you. Thank you so much, Tina. Thank you so much. Right? If you are willing to put the hard work in right direction, see, there are a lot of people who keep running on the treadmill. They're putting hard work. Are they reaching anywhere? Are they reaching anywhere? They are running on the same place. Are they reaching from point A to point B? If you need to move, shift in the direction of growth, not in the horizontal direction of growth, in the vertical direction of growth, how many of you would want vertical direction of growth? Vertical, next orbit, next level, from wherever you are. It is very subjective, right? Then Utkarsh wants to move to next level, right? Vertical direction of growth. Sabuman wants to do that, right? So it is very important that if you, yes, yes, you are definitely different. I've stopped attending free courses. I wanted to give this program a last try, and this is amazing. Thank you so much. So why I want to make it free is because I want to save your money. I want to save your money. I see you come to me when you are ready to take my personal consult. I don't want to do 10 personal consulting and everywhere I'm prescribing Crocin. Okay, it is like, you know, you're going to a doctor, physician, and there is a viral in the market and he's prescribing the same medicine for everyone and earning money. Okay, so I don't want to start teaching you sleeping line, standing line, ABCD in personal consulting. So if I get you at that stage, you will end up paying me a lot more money for personal consulting. I'm a process person. I am a person who is a believer of minimalism and essentialism and a highly productive and efficient processes. So I want, see, there are certain stages where the group can be brought to that speed. Group. After that, the personal will take over because there are specific needs for you. So I am using this model where I know I can bring the group to this level. We start from sleeping line, standing line, ABCD, writing words and all as a group, learning to write words, sentences as a group. But when you want to write poetry, when you want to write prose, that means when you are ready to monetize, okay, when you are at that stage where the things are very unique to your business, that is when you are ready for my personal consulting. And that is where we will make the most of your time, my time. I'm helping you save money. So whatever I am, good things, I can afford to do it. I can afford to do it. Okay. So it's very important that you guys learn all these. So I don't have to keep reinvesting the same thing in everyone. Right. So you that way you are saving a lot of money, and this money should go in your marketing. I want you to invest this money in digital systems and tools, and I want you to 3,000 rupees if you're saving with me. This course, the last time I have earlier I have sold it for 10,000, 9,999. Where people are increasing their money in the market, I have price courses. I'm decreasing the price courses in the market. Not because I'm not having sales, not because of that, because I want to reach out to more people and I know there are financial challenges. And for my ROI have already come. Okay. So 9999, then 4999, and then last time I sold it for 2999, the course which you got for free, right? So if you, this 2999 you can invest in Facebook for your marketing to generate leads, I'll be happy. If this 3,000 rupees you are using on a learning management system or digital system on an autoresponder, because it has a direct impact on your growth, that makes me happy. So I'm trying to see where I can save your costs. So group sessions is huge cost saving for you. Personal session is premium, I'm telling you. Personal sessions, I'm increasing the prices. I'm not decreasing. I'm going to increase the prices for personal session because I really want, because I can handhold only 8 to 10 people, that's all, in a year. Okay, not more than that. So my personal is very premium. I'm going to be doing the price revision of that. A group will be affordable, win-win for you, win-win for me. Makes sense, right? So I think I answered your question, Gayatri. What if there are already others? How to stand out? There's a whole approach to standing out differently, which we cover, and we will be covering this in our 3-day intensive workshop. The major agenda is that how to stand out uniquely in the marketplace. You will have a lot of aha moments, bulb on moments, and bumphata moments. Okay, ma'am, how to decide niche? Yes, this will be see 128 128 videos playlist. I have many videos on how to decide your niche. I also have a structured 7-hour next level course, recorded course. But because I'm doing live session, I don't want you to pay for that recorded courses. You come in live session, that course you get free. 7 hours of structured next level learnings. Okay. How to start career coaching online? Well, see, this is the whole business model. The step by step. First step, finish that KDM free course that you have got. Continue to stay connected. Continue to learn learn from me. You will come to know how to start your career coaching online. How can motivate parents for child counseling? See, there are a lot of well, I will take one session. I will take only on Q&A because there has to be a context to answer these questions. Okay, if I'm going to give you a very deep insight on that question, but you will not understand because the context has not been set. But that is why when you do this, the last month when we had done those 9 live workshops over 3 weekends, that was very, very, very powerful. Okay, so I'm going to open up that also free. So if you want to learn from, I'm going to open up that free. Maybe I'm going to give that as an offer. Let us see. Because my challenge is if I give you free, but if you don't go and open and see what will change in your life, nothing. So you attend live sessions, you will get that free. Then after that, you go over it or not, that is your headache. But at least in the live sessions, I've given you what you need. Make sense? Right? Any more questions? Any more questions? 2 more minutes left. If anyone has any questions, anyone wants to share something, how was the session for you? How was the session for you? Anyone wants to say anything? I think we are done for today. So those who want to join the live onboarding session, let me give you some more links. Yeah, the KDM playlist and all, you will see, you can send us a message. Oh yeah, please save my number in WhatsApp because all these platforms have become very strict. If you don't save my number, you will not get clickable links. You send a message on this WhatsApp link. Our business number is 6363958485. We only messages related to the program. Mostly it is unidirectional messages from us to tell you about business satsang, what is the topic of the day, giving you a reminder, giving you all the links that matter for your growth. So if you save the number, the links will be clickable. So that is number one thing. Okay. So please save this number if you wish to stay connected. Join the Telegram group. Join the Telegram group. If you want to know more about me, there is a 9-minute video. I think I will give that link. You can have a look at your free time. If you want to know more about me, my businesses, etc., you can go over that. Okay. What else? Telegram group, I've already shared the link. So please join the Telegram group if you wish to stay connected. Right. Then business satsang, anyways, you are here. Onboarding call, if you want to join, I'll reshare all the links in the I'll reshare all the links Yeah. And if you like my session, I need your help to give a review, because a lot of people look at reviews. So it will be great if you can give, and also if you can go and comment on this Facebook post, because a lot of people think, these are all gimmicks, trying to get the contact details. Nobody gives the things for free. This is a trap and all those things. People talk about all this. This is just a gimmick. And people say so much, stop fooling us. All these comments people write. So I really need your help. Thank you so much, Captain Ramamurthy. I have shared a Facebook link. If you can go and write, how was your experience with me? Okay, that will really help me a lot, reach out to more and more people. I need your support. If you believe the good must spread, and you can become a medium to spread, right? So see, it's not always, see, everything is not about money. Your reviews, your words of appreciation, they are also a form of give. Okay, they are also a form of give, right? So I need your help to help me reach out to many people. You can share your reviews, you can share how genuine this course is, 2 hours of real value, and how these business satsangs are helping you. And the whole intent is your growth, not just in words, in deeds also. Okay, a lot of this coaching industry is only giving lip service, because it is their livelihood. It is their livelihood. But still, they must deliver what they promise. I am a believer of that. But I see there are few people who do it. There are many who don't. So I don't fit in that category. So I really want your help to help me reach out to many people, many teacher, trainer, coaches, consult, anyone who has some valuable knowledge and would want to create a business model which they can run right in the comfort of their home, and they can get started with whatever funds they have. There is a solution for every pocket size. Okay. There is a solution for every pocket size. Get your expectations right. Right. For me, that is very, very important. So if you can provide your reviews on my program, that will be great. Right. So any more questions? Otherwise, anyone wants to say something, share something, I will give you unmute. I will unmute you and you can share. I would like to see you. I would like to hear you. So if you would like to say something, just type in the chat box and I will let you speak. What was your takeaway today? How was the session for you? Anything, anyone who would, you're raising your hand. Somebody is raising hand. Who is raising hand? How to go and look at that? Kiran is raising hand. All right, go ahead, Kiran. Captain Ramamurthy, I'll let you also speak. Anyone else? Just raise your hand and I'll give you. Thank you so much, Captain Ramamurthy. Right. So Kiran Pal, you go first and then Captain Ramamurthy. Go ahead. I've given you unmute permissions. Ask Kiran Pal, are you there? Okay, go ahead, please. I don't know why I'm going to remove Ankur as my co-host, because it is just showing his. Okay. Right. Ankur, are you there? Do you want to say something? All right. Kiran Pal, please go ahead, speak. I'm not able, you are still mute. We're not able to hear you. All right. Captain Ramamurthy, if you are ready to speak, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm ready to speak. Are you hearing me?
Yes, we are able. I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, it's one of the, you have taken like baby guidance. It's a step-by-step process. I felt very, very happy. And I think, everybody should respect your, the hard work, what you put in. And in fact, I'm seeing something which is worked remarkably. I think we as trainers, we should support you. And your notion is fantastic, even though, you are given so much of free, freebies, but I really respect your time and energy. So for that, I think you need to scale. And I really appreciate that even if you put whatever be the scaling, we will always support you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Captain Ramamurthy. All these words of appreciation and people like you who really support this. My thoughts can see the intention is actually driving me, because at times even I'm human, right? I question why I'm doing all this. At
Yeah,
times
in fact, I had about 40 years of experience in coaching the pilots, and unfortunately, I was flying for Etihad Airways, and due to pandemic, I came back to Hyderabad. So I was in the coaching industry for pilots, but I wanted to throw myself into as a business coach or career coach, and I want to pick it up as a retired guys want to help as NGOs, and also parenting is my aspiration. Probably I will take your help in this.
Yeah, sure. Lovely. It's great. I'm so excited to have you. You're the first pilot in my program. So,
I wanted to make sure that I wanted to bring when I'm 60, how I can going to be in 20s.
awesome, lovely. I think this is the niche of, because see, airline business is going to grow only. So, and these careers are really lucrative. So I think your space is also good. So parenting, you are competing with many people. So that is how you find your niche, right? I mean,
yes.
So it's like first, see, if you want to see, money in the hands of good people can do a lot of good in this world.
Yeah, I agree.
Thank you so much. Right?
I agree. I agree with that, and definitely, I want to throw myself open to challenges.
Super.
With your help.
Definitely, I look forward to being your mentor, guide, teacher, trainer, whatever you wish to call, on your journey to share your knowledge and bring the necessary transformation people need in their life.
Thank you. I highly appreciate that.
Thank you so much for taking the initiative to share how you feel. Thank you so much. Kiran, are you ready to speak? Kiran, are you there? Kiran, your video still shows, audio shows mute. All right, I'll move to Tarun then. Tarun, you raised your hand, so you want to say something? Tarun, are you there? I'm asking you to unmute, but I don't see why the button is not changing. Well, all right then. Kiran, your mute button. Yeah. Do you want to say something, Kiran? Kiran, your audio is not clear. Kiran, it's not working. I think. I don't know. We can't hear you. Though it shows unmute, we can't hear you. All right, then let's call it a night, guys. You can share your reviews on the, I've already given the link, or you can type in the business, I think the World Class Entrepreneurs group. Also, you can share, or you can just share your reviews on the link that I have shared. Thank you, everyone, for your time. I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday, Business Satsang. With the topic, you have shared a lot of things that you want to learn. Maybe we can focus on some conversion strategies, because that is what most of the people are asking. And one session we can do on how to find your niche. Okay, the template to find your niche and what it takes to know how you stand. We can do that also in business, in one of the Business Satsang. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone. Good night, Umi. Good to see you again here. Thank you so much, Akir Islam. Thank you so much. I'm again sharing the review link. Those who want to share how the session was for you, just know, I mean, it will really help me if you write few words along with the review ratings. Okay, because why are you giving that rating really justifies the rating. Otherwise, a lot of people who pay simply to get ratings, where only 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, whatever it is. But if you actually put how the session has held, what did you enjoy the most? Why are you giving? What did you learn from me? How it has helped you? All these things make it more meaningful and useful rating. So I'll appreciate your some words of appreciation on that rating. That will really help me. Thank you so much. Shivani missed the first star due to rains. No problem. You will get the recording of the session. Join the Telegram group, and you will. Umi is a learner. Yes, Umi, good to see you coming back again and again. Right, Umi, I will talk to you. I'll talk to you about the digital visiting card. Okay. Kiranpal will share the share on Facebook. Thank you so much. Did I give the Facebook link? Yes, I did give. Let me see. I will share the Facebook link on the Telegram group as well. So it helps build some social proof. And these are it also helps you reduce your cost per lead as well. These are strategies to reduce your cost per lead. Okay. Telegram link. Okay. Telegram link. Hold on. Telegram link. Got it. Just join that. All those with today's recording, past business satsang, the 128 video playlist, Facebook link, the review link. I'll give all of that in the and the 20-minute video to make a video using Zoom. I am going to share it on the Telegram group. So I'm just building everything at one place. So if you want to stay connected, that is the place to be in. Every Tuesday, you can look for the topic of the business satsang. Thank you, Shivani. All right, guys, it was great hosting you today, and I look forward to serving you again and again and again and again with deep business insights that really, really matter for your growth. Okay, till we meet next Tuesday, keep growing, keep evolving. Bye for now. Bye.